Hey, how's it going out there, everybody? Gun Psychiatrist here. We got another shipment from Sonoran Desert Institute, so this will be another unboxing video. I cheated. This is a holster making package, so yeah, I kind of cheated and already got into it, but I just wanted to see what it was. So they've sent me all the tools necessary, and then plus I went out and got some of my own, which you'll also see what I got in this video, to make Kydex holsters. I'm really excited about this. This is something I've always wanted to get into, just never had the time or patience or means to actually pursue that avenue as a business or as a hobby, one of the two. But I'm gonna see what this develops into. I'm really excited, and I want to share it with you. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at what came in the box. Get my handy Kel-Tec screwdriver. Looks like we got our Kydex lab. Cool. These look like all of our rivets, our riveting tool, and we have a piece of Kydex. Of course, this is from knifekits.com, which I highly recommend you check out. The folks over there are very friendly and very helpful, so check them out. You can also go to gunholsters.com as well. I don't get paid anything for saying that or sending you there, but these guys are awesome. We have our foam sandwiches. Press the holsters together. We have a laser thermometer. Sweet. And we have a Heeken. What is this? We have a new Dremel tool. Well, that'll make two of these that I have. Pretty cool. So for the second part of all this, I couldn't help myself. I had to go to holstersmith.com and order some additional supplies just to make the job that much better. Woo! 10% off your next order. I love it. I'm gonna have to order by then though. Propaganda. Love it. So, we got some more top rivets. Got some new holster things to make holsters with, so some additional stuff I got. Oh, look at that. They even have, oh, this is so cool. Look at that. They even have their own Band-Aids. I can never get enough of these. That's awesome. Look at that. Bam! So this is a prepped mold prop to make Glock 19 Gen 4 holsters. Hey, you daring. Oh, what color is it gonna be? Beautiful. Look at that. Now this is a piece of Kydex. That is amazing. Yes, sir. Designer Kydex. Look at that, buddy. That is beautiful. What this is. The arbor press for riveting holsters. Nice. So there we have it. My first little holster making kit. I'm super excited.
there will be more to follow.
So I hope you're as excited as I am about all this holster making stuff that showed up, and of course it's going to make a good series of videos making holsters. And please like and subscribe below so you can stay tuned when I upload a new video making that first Kydex holster. Thanks for watching.